Juada yasa baby me enchia me makwa bambra Badwam Ahosepe Jumedie so world of entertainment de chegu de fata oni no sumu ye de bi esom kwan pa esom aka che osen semino etwagu na want wa hase ya na che se enu achiri edru ha na headquarters ya ben so de na yenya aba me amedi Jumedie ho chia me de Sandra ohemi ameti wa Jumenya me Adom entertainment am ye Ghana for chemu a me am a guy.
Nice. Sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm the guy's queen. Na me mo akwa abashon koni eko ensem ne so dia Hair Logistics GH and abomiti e dia ma me o hachu Malcolm dine we chi hono mo ahwehwe no. Oya weeks assault koni Instagram, TikTok Hair Logistics GH ko penwi a wo peni bi na onfan sort. Yegusu a ye roll call. Yegusu an kwofo egusu age FBI adwuma na boso mo gusu ye roll call la. Omo listing crofo a e wose ye chi omo on say fiada me no kan say na ya na obi asem sa no dien na munye free mo ene de bedroom mi fie ha me nua be ma koka e kan showtime so enye showtime so no kan we de enye hakro kan be foforo o chemu a ye nche Chris Waddle onim Chris Waddle AMG omo boss Chris Waddle koka chemu a emre na so say yetime cheno menim so ne na ye adwuma ana on na ye transaction bi da ka akunya jina kwa num tie free cook ahobra
so say me person who every afo na mbusa so makono ho a nti obi ti say Chris Waddle so omko because the source of revenue no questionable.
But what would make Coca invite FBI into the business of Chris Waddle? So I thought sir we will be ending the week with Shatawale versus John Hughes. If you FBI for when you checking the lifestyle normal because baby when you see free no any life will leave my Ghana mono questionable Chris Waddle. I'm say Chris Waddle he be pin ko we say.
Obi ti say Chris Waddle say me person who FBI for na busa so makono ho a. Chris Waddle.
Aseme na okay.
So no na ni tia ma nanado hwie nanado ye enye ne fe. Nti obi ti say Chris Waddle so omko because the source of revenue no questionable
questionable to me to you
intimacy
I didn't source of a year questionable to you
so osimama nanado assess system no but normal of front no se oye adwuma sesen wo Ghana normally bi ukura no sebi bedin so obinya nti FBI
onima adwuma
be bia FBI for no wo nyina hwe akola wo ho na ozo mu panyin a na obedi atema ebi kam FBI phone baby am obia mo de na mo hwehwe Chris Waddle
Coca
why me cars are shipping nyina mo papers na mo
asema okay die me badwum ai me na kakra ada won na hia ogari ho ana
oh David so mo nyina ma girls no price akoso
and the case you are eating it is good
omo nyina enkoso sa
me starting na me refi se me kai mo se matra guys as say no me twemu a say no me 2 times a guy guys you know ampa rich one teacher anko kai me ba we ban so age atum ye benden enti ko kai say we dia be ni de nie say I say we bia adwuma mo gi yi na mo kra no mo bisa mo ho say Ghana ye NIB enkantity BNI no we bisa so betimi akwa amanone akwa akwachi amanone celebrities ana I think of by your chrome ye cheche wunua wo so wire ho ye campaign yanto aso no ba yanto aso ye oba ye menua na no ye menua kwa aka mane obi ba ba ende yanko say Tyler Perry yi bi too mu straw I make waves ni ade no na Ghana for ekeka nsem bi ni ade and Shirley Frimpong Manson or one of if not the best one of our best filmmakers in Ghana and Mayano. Obono homodin ye pa. Was a straw on Netflix sparks outcry. Tyler Perry doesn't represent us. Let's back our own. Shirley Frimpong Manson. Ochema munya straw ne hwe. Monko hwe ni sini a wetwa ebi kwa de doso sini de wetwa bebre fe pa. To ochema energy na mudi push straw no nka monfa energy no emwa wono Shirley Frimpong enye ono nko Ghana sini twanyina in general. Na say na netizens so Troy ehwe bi.
Recently I saw something that was going around. I think Tyler Perry released a film called Straw.
Exactly.
And there's been so much talk about it on our social media pages and stuff. And I said, I don't remember getting this kind of attention when I have released the film. Do you understand? And so it's not balancing. Why are we talking about Tyler Perry's movie when, we could easily have that same attention come to a Shelley Frimpong movie? Do you understand? We have put films there that critically, examine a lot of things. Recently, we released a film called Chasing Lullaby.
I want to film cancer my yate. Say Adam's apple by the whole country no be a can want some Adam's apple. Those days, Jocelyn Dumas, Lydia Forson, Chris Atto, everybody was talking about it. Even anyway, the contrast, my director, Makweba, it was our project. So it is not as if say, yeah, I didn't know who about Ghana for, and I don't know if nay, yeah, I'm back home. But on say, what means who boom can I could draw quas was a change natch. Netizens say, Yankin Cabin show, can Yankin Cabin share. Or say she does the same thing. I think you just see the post and just jump in conclusion. Let me say no reply will be. Mommy and kind free show, and kind because where you reply to Obi, it doesn't tally with Shelley Samoana or Ka. Obviously, so now if you ask me to watch the old movies, like The President's Daughter, the one Nadia Buari and Jackie Appiah made years ago, I would still watch until now. I still remember the storyline of that movie. And it's because at that time, these actors put in so much effort in their acting. You could see so much dedication in them. But now, it's not like that. Obviously, exactly my point. How can you compare Tyler Perry's movie to ours? Obviously, do you even watch movies at all? Using old faces is very common with Tyler Perry. He also introduces new faces when he can. According to her, the newbies, when given the chance, they mess it up. And the oldies have worked with her before. She knows how serious she is. Personally, I don't mind seeing old ones in the movies. Focus on the storyline, not the actors. I have find to appreciate seeing the old faces. Dear way na ya can be a say yes in each yanyum tum a one way. What me ko show fiada artist goes to same artist ne gusto memeneda. Nipa na ebon ne homodin tie or deserve say be booking no. But say no be ya mentio wu hwede mo say ha kwa hwa na obeto. It's about time I be introduce new faces. Kwofo etwesi ni bebre. Basa na kwofo e Canada boy Jackie Appiah sa. And old movies ya kai nyum ne kra. Anything is that I see. Oh tim 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 da da na na. Okay. Sweetie, oh, say I go die for you. We still remember because it was dope. Yvonne Okoro, or Mushi acid good, and Yakai was a Yakai storyline. And you know, get to work. Yamana make us say, netizens name, man, so kind almost so air trauma gene. Timo get it to work, we day for you. But on that note, you know, Shelley is one of the best. No two ways about it. Maybe Ghana for person more challenge you. Now we'll bring it out. Your bestest. All the best sister right Yantua and some no. So yeah, to us wash our dear breast is here, maybe.
Oba, yeah, I love your song. The Moses song is mad. Moses. Hi. Hey, Yaya see the sing pass Jackie. Yaya Jackson the sing pass Jackie. Forget everybody. No, crap, my cano. If you're it, I say, one of your phone Twitter. Zion, bank of Warino. Hey, I am correct Twitter.
Ya Jackson obviously is one of the best female vocalists. Jawa Ghana, no two ways about that. But say obe compare with me aka say oh you better than Obi. Ya Jackson me na my cousin no. Or ya or vocal person who ni vocal works Kwetie Zion fellas nyum America. official omono kotie ya Jackson part no she's very good but so because say oya ade saying Jackie na ho ne Jackie e woni lane na ya Jackson woni lane Josh me nua na ene wo ada no pa me nua no kwa na efie story mu amintimi ba ahye mu so ko comment o mo de me ma o nteja bro ho ye entwa ensem no eso also ye better appointment ni guso ba ye hwe calcium scenario appointment no eguso ba Samra Menoka say the actress Calcium Scenario named Ghana's ambassador to Spain. Na obi bisa say utimika Spanyora. Na msina we can say. Na when I can say Spanish no just okoka. Ya appointing no nti the obeka congratulations. Congratulations enko enfama no as to why how omo beba be press conference no omo ankasa aka because minim the your story ya na appointing na ye na ye man congratulations inti say na etie ewu krom unim ni page ana wakotro wase congratulations yantwa ensem no so na share ade we bra real quick ye ba na ye di ho nkomo
I am young, ordinary, paranoid. I can't picture this world without you in my life. Oh, baby.
Ananzo near friend no yeah juma washing bay for the past few weeks you know akwan ono so fast ye promo ni or hoka na nije ne nyom no toto ye mrebu kan say Davido share ne bo tike pudu bi e ma wokotena ba bi ka sika ne mai e me say nkra ne dru Davido ho to osomani team say amra me no ka say de sika na ba say o e bonsema no ko bi bonsema Davido wadi ne bo hyese I say no say bia wato Ghana for ni mo nche no hu no kwoto Nigeria nyuma na mbe support no say wa maniska enti ya best girls mama mfa mani enche ho ya best mo pay say won sa ba wo de atwamfo ni nya afi na ebusuafo be frɛ no ma me yare metie me ya me pra bosu usu yusu ni ye nim sɛ ne awabra nya me ahye ne ho ni monyam to all the very best ade a wo ye bia ni ya ensure fi mu ba ebi ni congratulations to Ananzo unim baby a wonhia be fiaba koso aye de wo ye no ye to aso a Black Sheriff de wonsanka Ghana for penasem onye artist a omudwana omokeka na asem but on that note Ananzo ebe hia pa me be osemento emano me sure say Tuesday no cafe bar no a kona akodi ni ade na ebe boa pa wo husa eti no wote yenka slide into our DM yes you me slide wo me ye obeti yenka Ananzo Black wo de won say omo penasem onye artist a oye basabasa omudwa no but for the first time Black wo ye late eko Unifest Jumedia no mo ya ma university fue e na okoye no mototo bottles bo no ba wo ya ade bi ma manage ye yesi ye to lemons bo wa fire den lemonade artist na mototo to abo ne sa nka ne performance ahye egu mo ye ni nyina awie ya bra ne ma anyo so na mo say to hwirihwiri ne fe ko hwe bi bre ko hwe ya ye Black ko hwe bra
I want to be a promoter to one throw more water. And I'll be homeless for a while. Leave go. Was I a few days ago? Throw more water. It's because for me and you boys my type. They don't leave me to do what I don't want to. So guide me, oh Lord, and
na artist no so yeah pam Chelsea booking for shows be there on time because event organizers no promoters or mo discan shame and a fans no so to tickets ni nyina is custom ti ana also wadru hontam yes ye feel wuntin ye ma 2 am na wa shada be drew 5 you know na kom kwade be there hwihwiri ye fans sem no ensin sam kakra me de be so mo ne no ahanam de be si opd me producer Master Thomas our has say Frank Mo, PR Ruben Mo, your set and a Kobe, a sound engineer, Mr. Mark Weber, my director, Maminda Igowe for say, or more Tessano, same building with Starbite Restaurants, Omonini Omopam Matadi, and Mammy. I'm the guy's queen. I will be back on Wednesday. Till then, bye for now.